Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your high-resolution image and duplicating the background layer so you can always revert. Convert the duplicate to a smart object. This preserves filters and lets you tweak settings later. Once done, set the document to sRGB and glance at the histogram to verify midtones. You want room to darken without clipping. Now create a new blank layer for color grading and a stamped visible layer. Shift plus Control plus Alt plus E to work from. This keeps edits organized and reversed. You now darken the scene using a curves adjustment on the smart object. Pull the midtone region down around 20 to 40% to establish night. Then add a solid color layer with a deep blue and set blending to color or multiply, keeping opacity between 15 and 40% for realism. Make a layer mask and paint with a soft, low-opacity brush to protect skin tones, windows, and light sources, because retaining key highlights sells the night conversion and prevents a flat, unnatural result. Finish by adding luminous accents. Create radial gradients on new layers for moonlight or streetlights and set blending to screen or overlay, then erase with a soft brush to blend. Once done, tweak color balance and hue saturation to cool the scene and reduce warm yellows so the palette reads night. Make a final selective sharpen on edges, inspect shadows for banding, and if areas look too smooth, add subtle noise to integrate grain. This fixes posterization and makes the composite coherent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.